Sprint reviews. Sprint reviews focus on the product being developed, specifically on the potentially shippable product increment created during the sprint. Sprint reviews are limited to a maximum of 4 hours for a month and are calculated in a time-box sprint review, which is 2 hours for a 2-week sprint and 4 hours for a 1-month sprint. During a sprint review, the Scrum team invites stakeholders to discuss what was completed during the sprint. The sprint review is important for the stakeholders since it is their opportunity to ask any questions of the team. It is the role of the product owner to make note of these questions and suggestions. They adapt the product backlog as needed based on this feedback. The product owner has the option to release any of the completed functionality. Though a demo might be part of this meeting, the primary purpose of the sprint review is the inspect and adapt capability provided by the discussion. When a demo does occur, it is the role of the Scrum Master to organize the meeting, arrange for any software tools, links, and access that may be needed for the demos, taking into account the possibilities of a virtual meeting. Additionally, the Scrum Master facilitates the dialogue and makes sure the meeting runs like clockwork. The stakeholders, product owner, and team come together for a demo to see what has been delivered and communicate around it. During the meeting, stories from the sprint backlog are brought forward to check against the demo. It is important that a team is prepared with a plan on how they will demo their work. They should be familiar with the story's acceptance criteria, the order they plan to demo, and who will be running the demo. In a virtual setting should test out all links and access. The outcome of the meeting should be that all attendees have seen the outcome of the spread, the features adhere to the acceptance criteria, and stakeholders should feel satisfied that they have had a chance to ask questions and make suggestions to the product owner. At the end of a sprint, the team should have delivered a potentially shippable increment of the product. That means that they have built some of the features in the product backlog to such a high degree of quality that the product owner is delighted to release them at the sprint review.